Nvidia could soon land a spot in the most elite Wall Street trillion-dollar club. The chipmaker saw its shares surge 26% on Thursday, bringing its market value to just under the $1 trillion mark at around $950 billion. How Nvidia became AI superpower and Wall Street rising giants. Nvidia has come to dominate the market for chips used in artificial intelligence systems. Interest in that sector reached frenzied levels after ChatGPT went public last November, which sent a jolt well beyond the technology industry. From helping with speeches to computer coding and cooking, ChatGPT has proved to be a widely popular application of AI. But all that would not be possible without powerful computer hardware, in particular computer chips from California-based Nvidia. Originally known for making the type of computer chips that process graphics, particularly for computer games, Nvidia hardware underpins most AI applications today. ChatGPT was trained using tens of thousands of Nvidia's graphic processing units clustered together in a supercomputer belonging to Microsoft. Nvidia has about 95% of the GPU market for machine learning. Its AI chips, which it also sells in system designed for data centers, cost roughly $10,000 each, though its latest and most powerful version sells for more. So how did Nvidia become such a central player in the AI revolution? Jensen Huang, now the chief executive of Nvidia, was one of the founders back in 1993. Then Nvidia was focused on making graphics better for gaming and other applications. In 1999, it developed GPUs to enhance the image display for computer. GPUs excel at processing many small tasks simultaneously, for example, handling millions of pixels on a screen, a procedure known as parallel processing. In 2006, researchers at Stanford University discovered GPUs had another use. They could accelerate maths operations in a way that regular processing chips could not. Hong invested Nvidia's resources in creating a tool to make GPUs programmable, thereby opening up their parallel processing capabilities for uses beyond graphics. The tool was added to Nvidia's computer chips. For computer games players, it was a capability they did not need and probably were not even aware of. But for a researcher, it was a new way of doing high-performance computing on consumer hardware. It was that capability that helped the spark early breakthroughs in modern AI. In 2012, LexNet was unveiled, and AI could classify images. LexNet was trained using just two of Nvidia's programmable GPUs. The discovery that GPUs could massively accelerate neural network processing began to spread among computer scientists who started buying them to run this new type of workload. Nvidia pressed its advantage by investing in developing new kinds of GPUs more suited to AI, as well as more software to make it easy to use the technology. Other big semiconductor companies provide some competitions like AMD and Intel are both better known for making central processing units, but they are also dedicating GPUs for AI applications. Google has its tensor processing units used not only for search results but also for certain machine learning tasks, while Amazon has a custom-built chip for training AI models. Microsoft is also reportedly developing an AI chip, and Meta has its own AI chip project. Nvidia has been steadily growing its AI-focused business over the past several years, but the explosion of interest and investment in the space over the past 6 months has turbocharged itself. The video game computer chip maker has become an unlikely kingmaker thanks to AI boom nearing $1 trillion valuations. After hours move, Nvidia stocks was up 109% so far in 2023, mostly driven by optimism stemming from the company's leading position in the market for artificial intelligence chips. Nvidia's data centers group reported $4.28 billion in sales versus expectation of $3.9 billion, a 14% annual increase. Nvidia said that performance was driven by demand for its GPU chip from cloud vendors as well as large consumer Intel companies, which use Nvidia's chips to train and deploy generative AI applications like OpenAI's ChatGPT. Nvidia's strong performance in data centers show that AI chips are become increasingly important for cloud providers and other companies that run large number of servers. Nvidia's automotive divisions, including chips and software to develop self-driving cars, grew 114% year over year. The surge more than doubled the stock's value for this year and increased the chip designers' market capitalization by about $114 billion to nearly $939 billion. That makes Nvidia twice as big as the second largest chip firm, Taiwan's TSMC. The chip makers' market value rose by $199 billion at one point to a record $955 billion. Soaring demand for the chips needed to train the latest wave of generative artificial intelligence systems such as ChatGPT led Nvidia to issue a revenue forecast far ahead of Wall Street expectations, prompting a surge in its stock price in aftermarket. Sales are up because of spiking demand for the graphics processors that Nvidia makes that power AI applications like those at Google, Microsoft, and OpenAI. Demand for AI chips in data centers spurs Nvidia to guide for $11 billion in sales during the current quarter, blowing away analyst estimated of $7.15 billion. Shares of Nvidia, the world's most valuable listed semiconductor company, increased as much as 28% after the bell to trade at $391. The gain increased Nvidia's stock market value about $200 billion to cover a 25% surge in Nvidia's stock put the company on track to hitting the $1 trillion market cap level soon. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.